assistir um filme quer dizer, da Netflix mesmo. Eu vou assistir um filme da Netflix. Parecia que é o mesmo. Eu vou comer alguma coisa. Eu não vou ficar agora. E agora eu vou assistir um filme. Não terminei de assistir o filme. Eu vou comer alguma coisa, tá? Eu vou comer uns abacates. Pronto. Esses abacates são muito bons. Esses abacates. Eu vou pegar as figuras. As figuras tá muito bom. Essas figuras estão muito bom. Vou passar essa figura aqui, mais do que ninguém. Tá sendo legal. Muito desculpa mesmo. Eu já fiz agora. Desculpe, eu só olhei a luz. Pronto. Eu assisti o filme na Netflix. Então tá passando mal. Vem fazer também. Sai daí que eu quero fazer xixi. Agora sim. Eu vou levar esse xixi primeiro. Eu estava fazendo xixi. Quer dizer que não temos dinheiro. Eu tenho que passar na fila mesmo. Sai daí que ele fez xixi. Olha, ele já terminou. Porque a Ângela não terminou. Eu quero fazer xixi. Quero sair primeiro. Acho. Você vai assistir a Netflix? Não quero sair de jogo não. Só assistindo a Netflix. Aqui, vamos assistir essa coisa aqui.
Who's the good-looking guy turning all the heads tonight at the scarf party? Tom. That's right. Talking about Tom.
Whoa, not everyone can pull off a red scarf.
Its warm color brings out my cool style.
Check it out. It took all night, but my new app is finally good. Not in the toilet, not in the... in the toilet.
Finally, one of Ben's inventions is right where it belongs. looking.
I know, it's like, gosh, what's my best runway angle?
No, I mean...
Left, right, over the shoulder, up the nose?
Tom, be serious. This is a big opportunity for me. This isn't just some scarf fashion show. This is the Scarf Spectacular Runway Nectacular. I don't know if you know this, but the scarf industry is so hard to break into. And every year at the SSRN, you know, the Nectacular, all the Scarfies give one newcomer a chance to show their scarves to the world. And this year, I am that newcomer. Tom!
Angela, relax. I'm here for you. I'm actually here for the party, and this party has everything. Shrimp, free. Punch, free. Cocktail wieners, surprisingly expensive. Just kidding. Those are free, too.
I have to get ready, so please don't embarrass me. Just try to act like you belong here.
Don't worry. I'm just gonna scarf down some shrimp. Scarf down some shrimp? Angela, did you hear what I just said? Scarf? And she thought I was gonna embarrass her.
Still not working, huh?
Nope.
So what's the problem? The cloud storage matrix?
No, you'd think, but what's really causing the main issue
The
is...
cross-platform integration!
Well, it's more than that. It's
The
actually...
response sequencing loop! Oh, get out of the way, I'll fix it!
Go right ahead. I could use a laugh. For starters, you'll never be able to bypass the base matrix.
You have bypassed the base
Wait,
matrix.
how did you do that? I mean, beginner's luck.
Well, no. The food is for guests. Guests only.
What? I'm a guest.
How could you get invitation? You're wearing your scarf backwards.
I know.
Now you wear it sideways. This is truly embarrassing for you.
Embarrassing.
Don't embarrass me.
You're right. This is embarrassing. For you. You've obviously never heard about the backwards with the sideways shift scarf trend.
I don't know. I have heard of all of these fashions. Of course I have.
Well, then you obviously know who I am. I'm Tom of Tom's Scarf Productions. I'm head scarf producer. Scarf deucer.
You are a scarf doozer?
Couldn't say it if it wasn't true.
Ooh, let me pick into your brain. What fabric makes best fringe for you?
Well, it's hard to say.
Yeah, it is hard to say. This is the biggest debate in the scarf community for years.
You know, to me, it isn't even about the fabric anymore. It's the whole scarf experience.